Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to make a car AI on Scratch. So it's very simple. Just what we want to do is make a car. So here I made a car. Okay, this is a car. Just going to write car so you know. Car. Okay, and then we're going to make 2 more costumes. So basically what you want to do is we are making the left, I think, sensor. So just make a rectangle that big and just delete this and everything else. Okay, so we're making the right sensor now. So just do the same but on the right side or bottom. Okay, so we have this, right? And then we're going to go into more blocks. Actually, no. When first, we just want that, yeah. And then, this is a very important part. You want to make this any color. Just like make a row. Oh no, that's just. So, make a road. Very big. Large enough for the car. What? Just do something like this then. It's not working very well, so just make these so it's easier to go and make it a bit thicker. Okay, so that is the route we're going to follow. So first we want our guy to go here. So that point in direction 0. And then switch costume 1. And yeah. And then I want to get to forever and more blocks. Left turn, you wanna call it left turn, and repeat 2. F, touching color green, turn right 2 degrees. Yeah. Oh no. Actually 3 degrees. And then we want to make one more. Call it right turn. Then just do that. But do it like that. And it should work. Oh, wait. No. I need to put that. Move 3 steps. Left turn. Oh, wait, no. Switch costume to 2, which is left. And then switch costume to right. and then right turn, and then finally switch costume to costume 1. And then when we run the oh wait, oops, I forgot to run without screen refresh. That's important, I guess. And then if we run it, it should work. Actually, I'm just gonna draw. I'm just going to draw a line. Okay, draw spiral, and then go to 0, 0, so it will show that it can really turn. Oops. Yeah, now when we run it, no, go back in. Yeah. And then that should work. Yay! Oh yeah, also something that's important. You don't want it to go off like the spiral, because then yeah, it'll be bad. So the car won't sense it, and then it'll just go through and it can't find the green, so it'll just have to keep going through, and then it will not work. So this happens a lot, and so it's not the best you could ever have, but it's pretty easy, I guess. Let's try running that again. Last time, I assure you. And then that will turn. Yeah, and it should work. Please. Yeah, and it works. Almost. Yep, thanks for watching, and please, that was just a simple example, so don't say it's bad. So, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.